Best deals.
1. Grill. Crafted from durable cast iron, this pan delivers excellent heat retention and even cooking, perfect for grilling, searing, and frying your favorite meats and vegetables. The non-stick coating ensures minimal oil usage, making it perfect for fat-reducing BBQ grilling and easy cleanup after grilling fish, chicken, salmon fillets, tofu and more. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Electric rice cooker. Comes with high-quality stainless steel lid. The lid is provided with steam vent to allow the steam to escape. The cooking pans can be stacked and stored in the cooker, thereby saving space. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cast iron kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tapeli. Advanced tri-ply technology for excellent heat retention and uniform heat distribution, ensuring perfect cooking every time, compatible with all stove tops including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic, offering you versatility in the kitchen. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Steamer basket. Designed for effortless steaming, high-quality steamer for cooking is perfect for making momas, dumplings, vegetables, and more. Its multi-purpose design ensures healthy and flavorful meals every time. This high-quality baby food steamer is perfect for steaming nutritious meals for your little one, while also serving as a momo maker steamer for delicious homemade dumplings. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Silicone idli mold. Designed for efficiency, our molds help you make perfect idlis with less batter waste, saving time and ingredients. Non-stick and hassle-free cleaning, no greasing needed. The superior non-stick silicone ensures easy idli release and quick cleanup. Consistently perfect idlis, enjoy evenly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis every time. Easy and effortless cooking, line your traditional idli plates with silicone idli mold for easy and an effortless cooking experience. Our flexible design makes steaming and serving a breeze. Premium food-grade silicone, crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, and non-toxic silicone for safe and durable use. Versatile and multi-purpose, more than just idlis. Use it for cupcakes, steamed dumplings, and more. Temperature-resistant, heat-resistant from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for steaming, baking, microwaving, and even freezing. You easily steam cook perfectly shaped idlis that are quick to serve, in molds that are easy to clean. This silicone idli maker is compatible with silicone idli liners stand making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. Enjoy efficient cooking with this premium idli maker that fits seamlessly with your existing cookware. Featuring mini idli plates only, this set is perfect for preparing bite-sized idlis with ease. The plates are designed for uniform heat distribution, ensuring each idli is cooked to perfection. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Saucepan. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cast iron tawa. Offers the perfect non-stick surface and is induction ready, making it suitable for all stove tops. Experience the best of both worlds with our concave chapati tawa. Its heavy bottom and long handle cast iron roti tawa provides stability while its cast iron construction pays homage to the time-honored art of chapati making. Unleash your culinary creativity with our tawa for roti gemma cast iron tawa for roti chapati tawa. Cast iron helps you create delicious fulka chapati that are sure to impress. Tawa with handle crafted to perfection. Naturally non-stick roti tawa for gas. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grill pan. Made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer, it is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, enjoy a low oil lifestyle with our PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cooker. The 2.5 mm thick body of the pressure cooker ensures even heating. This prevents loss of nutrients and vitamins in steam. Makes your dishes tastier by preserving the natural colors and flavors. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Supports even heat distribution and quick cooking, times faster cooking compared to standard cooking methods. Very easy and convenient to use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cast iron kadai. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, sabzi, fried snacks, gravies and many more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Paniyaram pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron paniyaram pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dosa tawa. Durable granite finish coating, makes it long-lasting and scratch-resistant. Superior non-stick surface, for better non-stick performance. Cooks both on gas and induction. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Handy. Ideal for making biryani and other gravies. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Comes in 3.5 liters capacity and is compatible on gas stove. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with hard anodized lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Sandwich maker. Featuring the highest quality German technology non-stick plates, your waffles and sandwiches slide out easily without sticking, while also ensuring cleaning up quickly. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Kettle. Inner pot made of high-quality SS304 stainless steel and outer layer of sturdy plastic. Customize cooking temperatures for precise results. Detachable power base allows for cord-free serving and easy handling. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tawa. Made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer, it is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, enjoy a low oil lifestyle with our PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The tawa is perfect to cook or serve dosa, paratha, omelette. Product link is given in the 17th link.